If you're looking to connect an API and practice better, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to integrate your API step by step and some tips to get the most out of practice better. Stick around, because at the end, I'll also share some alternatives that might serve your needs better. Let's dive right into connecting an API with Practice Better. First things first, you'll need to log into your Practice Better account. Once you're in, navigate to your settings. From there, head to the Integrations section, which is where you'll manage all your connected tools. Next thing, you'll see a list of available integrations. You want to scroll down to find the API option. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a screen where you can configure your API settings. The third thing is obtaining your API credentials. You'll typically need a key or a token provided by the service you're integrating with. This is the critical part. Without it, the connection won't work. Go to the service you're integrating with and follow their instructions to retrieve your API key. Once you have it, copy it into the field and practice better. Once your API key is entered, the next thing is testing the connection. This is where things can sometimes go wrong. If it doesn't connect, double-check the API key or make sure the service you're integrating with supports Practice Better's API structure. If everything's correct, Practice Better will show a confirmation that your API is now connected. The fourth thing to keep in mind is managing data flows. APIs are designed to send and receive data. You'll want to adjust settings depending on the type of data you're pulling in. Whether it's client info, notes, or session data, make sure you've selected the right settings for your needs. Lastly, don't forget to save your settings. It's easy to skip this step, but without saving, your integration won't be complete. Practice Better will also let you know if anything is missing or needs attention. Now, let's talk about some considerations. While Practice Better does offer API integrations, it's not the most intuitive for some users. You might find it a bit tricky or cumbersome if you're not super tech savvy. There are also limitations to the types of data you can sync or the number of API calls you can make, which could become a hassle depending on your needs. But don't worry, there's a better option if you're looking for a more flexible, user-friendly solution. I'll get into that in just a moment. Before we wrap up, if you're interested in Practice Better, the good news is that I've secured an exclusive extended free trial for you. But, and this is important, I'll also be sharing alternatives that might be a better fit for connecting your APIs more efficiently, especially if you need more customization or integrations. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Make sure to check it out and explore these alternatives as well.